What's going on, dudes and Foxy Dudettes? We're going to tackle a topic we haven't covered in a long time. Shoes. More specifically, boots from Thursday. Now, Thursday recently had their warehouse event. I picked up a pair of their boots because they hardly ever go on sale. And we're going to see how these boots from their warehouse event hold up. Is it worth your money? We're going to talk about it here, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a wide variety of topics. Today, we're going to be tackling footwear, boots. If you're into that, this is the place to be. So please drop a like, click subscribe. We're a young channel trying to grow, and every like, comment, share helps us to do just that. But we talk about more than just footwear. We talk a little bit about everything. We talk about pop culture. We talk about fashion. So in other clothes, we talk about movies, comics, TV shows. Really, the sky's the limit on the topics we've covered. I've shot cooking videos before. There's a whole bunch of stuff that just tries to help you be a well-rounded gentleman or well-rounded dude. Hence the title of the channel. So without further ado, let's talk about Thursday's sale and these pair of boots, because I haven't seen them yet and I am super excited. So if you guys are longtime followers of the channel, you know that I love Thursday boots. I've done a couple videos talking about the Casimotos, from my unboxing them to my 1 year later video to show you how they held up. And spoiler alert, if you haven't seen that video, they held up amazingly. But those aren't the only pair of boots I own from Thursday. I have a couple pairs of Chelsea's, some Chukkas. They are pretty much the only footwear that I wear is Thursday boots. And, you know, Thursday has branched out in the last few years. They don't just make boots anymore. They have, I'm going to read here because I can never remember. I mean, they have sneakers, they have dress shoes, they have jackets, they have shirts, they have bags, socks, belts, a whole bunch of stuff. They even have a women's line with this, you know, same offerings. There's women's jackets and shoes and such. Just a ton of stuff. Now, that being said, Thursday is known for their quality. Their popularity has blown up these past few years, and it's well deserved. I mean, even some US presidents are wearing Thursday products. But they also hardly ever go on sale. They don't. And it's the quality that they provide. They feel, no, we're giving you a great quality already. We're not going on sale. But every once in a while, they'll throw in like some special savings, and this is one of those times. They're having a warehouse sale because they're moving warehouses. So some of this is discontinued products or different older patterns, or just returns or whatever that they're offering at a discounted price. And I have never purchased anything in their warehouse event before, but I did this time, and I want to see if the same quality holds up. I'm sure it will, but we're going to see it together. I ordered another pair of Chelsea's. I got the Shadow Grey Cavalier Chelsea's. Now, I have the Cavaliers in leather and one pair in suede, but these gray suede ones I've had my eye on for a while, and I figured now is as good as time as any to check it out. So let's take a look and see how the quality is from Thursday's warehouse event. And I just want to mention really quick that this is not a sponsored video. I paid for these boots with my own money, but I will have a link to the sale linked down in the description. But you want to hurry because all sales are final. There's no returns, no exchanges. So make sure you know your size, use that filter, and pick up your boots or whatever you're going to get really quick, because again, we don't know how long the sale is going to go on for, and I really want to look at these boots. So let's hop into it. Okay, because you can never do a second take with first impressions. Let's pop the lid off of this box. Paper. That's standard, and that's a good sign. Let's take a look. Plastic is also fairly standard. So what I got were the Shadow Grey Chelsea's from the Cavalier line of the Chelsea's, and oh my gosh, are these pretty. These are gorgeous. Okay, so this is the right boot. This is not the one I showed you a second ago. I have both boots out of the box, out of the packaging, and I'm looking for any kind of little scuff mark, any kind of blemish that's going to put these in the factory seconds or the home try-on returns. And I did find one, and it's so minor, you guys. Like, it's really not even worth mentioning, but I gotta mention it. There is a little bit of a scuffing on the heel of these. Okay, so this is the right boot, and compared to the left boot, hopefully I can get that in there. You can see that. I mean, it is so minor, just a minor discoloration. But you know what? If that's what they're gonna say is worth a few bucks off, I'll gladly take it. These boots otherwise are perfect. The uppers are fine. You know, the soles, other than that, the heel a little bit is perfect. Right? It's got the leather soles with the lugs in them, because Thursday does like a hybrid, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So if you were on the fence about the warehouse sale from Thursday Boots, I'm here to tell you, don't worry. I know it could vary on a case-by-case analysis, right? It could be something else, but I would say for the most part, trust them. If they have these on sale, in their sale, and it's something that you want, don't be nervous, give it a shot. So now that we talked about the sale, let's talk about the actual boot. If I didn't mention it already, these are Chelsea's. I think you guys would know that, but this is in the Cavalier line from Thursday Boots. They're awesome. I own a few different pairs in the Cavalier line. It's just a sleeker set. I have a pair in black leather, and I have a pair in sandstone. The sandstone is suede. Thursday Boots suede is amazing. They have what they call weather safe suede, where you can pour water on it. If they get wet, it's gonna run right off. It's awesome. My chukkas are also black suede, and I've had them for 5 years. I've worn them in rain, I've worn them in snow, and they look amazing. They look like I just got them the other day, and I've had them for a very long time. So Thursday Boots do hold up. Now back to these. You know, and the same thing with the other boots. They've held up for years. They get more comfortable as you wear them due to the cork bed midsole that's in these. The more you wear them, it forms to your foot and it gets softer. So these are already broken in. There's not really like a break-in period like a lot of boots have. When you wear these, they will like get even better. Like, they're going to be comfortable out of the box. They're going to be even more comfortable in a year or two. They just continue to get better. I don't even want to say break in better. They just get better. They're already comfortable and like broken in when you wear them. One of the things about them is, we'll take out this paper. Inside here, they do have what they call glove leather inside. Very soft, very smooth. I don't know if you can see it because it's going to be black, but it's very soft, very smooth, and Goodyear welt construction. That means that these boots are waterproof. That's the stitching that goes on that attaches the upper to the lower. Like I said, I've owned Thursday Boots for the past few years, never had any kind of issue. Now, we did talk a little bit about the cork bed midsole, but they do have comfortable shock absorbing soles. Again, my feet have never been more comfortable in a pair of Thursday Boots. That's why these are pretty much the only shoes I wear, right? The only time I don't is when I'm working and I wear another pair of boots, because I don't want to subject my beautiful, gorgeous Thursday Boots to my work environment. The leather outsole is amazing. We talked a little bit about this earlier, but it's a leather outsole with rubber studs. This is for traction. If you've worn leather shoes before where it's just leather, you know it can get a little slippery. You really need to like wear them out. So and by out I mean wear them outside, not wear out like that they turn to trash. You want to wear them outside so they scuff them up a little bit on the bottom so you get some traction, because just a little bit of water can send your ass flying, and you don't want that. So it's great that it's got these studs in here, because right out of the gate you're gonna have some traction. Thursday boots are handcrafted with quality, with love, and when they ship them, they are shipped free, right? At least in the US, it's free US ground shipping. And I ordered these like 2 days ago, and it came really quick. Granted, it's UPS, your times could vary. You know, I'm in upstate New York. You could be elsewhere in the country and it could take a little bit longer. But my point is that the shipping is pretty fast. All right, so especially here in the US. I don't know how it works overseas. But guys, I really do implore you, if you are a fan of shoes, if you are a fan of boots, check out the sale. Now is the perfect time to grab them, because we all know tariffs. Unfortunately, we got to talk a little bit about current events. I try to avoid that as much as possible here, but tariffs are going to affect us in our everyday lives. They're going to make things go up. And, you know, this is probably going to be the cheapest way you can get some shoes now before tariffs hit, is with this sale. So it's definitely worth the money. You know, again, I paid $169, I believe, for these. Normally they're $190. You are definitely getting your money at full price, let alone on sale. At $190, again, this is the first time I've ever bought Thursday boots on sale. I happily pay full price because the quality that you're getting is unmatched. They cut out the middleman to get you that price point. If they didn't, these boots would easily be in the $500 to $600 range. That's how good these boots are. So trust me when I say it's definitely worth the money, definitely worth the quality. And if you can get something in your size that you like on sale, do it. All right, guys, so me and my new boots are going to go for a walk here soon, because I am super excited and have been waiting for these for a long time. I will say that this is probably not the last Thursday Boots content you're going to see. There's some other things I got that I want to show you, but we're going to save that for another day. But please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything we do here. You'll find links to some of the brands that have partnered with us, that believe in me, believe in you, and we just want to see you guys succeed. And there'll be links to old videos. There'll be links to an Amazon storefront that I have curated a lot of the items, because I think they help you out in your everyday life. Not to mention I got movies and books and other great recommendations that'll just help you out in your everyday life. And on the merch page, you can get yourself a Well-Rounded Dude t-shirt. We got a lot of cool stuff up there, guys. Well-Rounded Dude t-shirts, coffee mugs, backpacks, you name it. It's up there. Water bottles, too, I think. And, you know, you can save a little bit of cash with the discount code DUDE15. Now, with that being said, seriously, check out Thursday Boots. Again, this was not a sponsored video. The link will be down in the description, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you. Peace.